How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Okay, today we're going to be talking about the devil. Okay, so please, before we get started, please subscribe. It's free, and we play doing this awesome playlist. We're doing the history of the tarot and all the cards involved. So please subscribe. All right, let's start. The devil. Okay, the devil, part human, part animal, perches on a small black pedestal between two naked figures of a man and a woman. The couple resembles the lovers from card 6. The devil, a pink goat headed creature with horns, bat wings, a human torso, has animal legs and claws for feet. He raises his right hand in the sign of malediction with his first and second, his third and fourth fingers together. His palm is tattooed with the sign of Saturn, an astrological, powerful, evil, and malignant planet. His left hand holds a flaming torch pointed to the ground. Between his horns is an inverted pentagram representing an infernal nature. The red-headed horn-headed ungulate couple stand chained to a ring on the devil's perch. The chains are loosely fitted around their necks and could be slipped off. The figures each have a tail. The woman's is a stem with grapes reminiscent of the tree of knowledge, and the man is a burning stem and leaf recalling the tree of life. The devil symbolizes bondage of the spirit and power of darkness that blocks the light of truth and reality. Okay, so card position number 15, the devil. Bondage of spirit blocks light from the truth, self-imposed limitations, chained by your own wrong choices, fear of commitment, and improper use of your energy. All right, so keywords: darkness, danger, and obsession, perversion, hostility, oppression, lust, bondage, temptation, materialistic, hopelessness, and suppression of the spirit. So these are the Celtic cross positions. Now, before we go on, if you look at the top right-hand corner of the video, you have the suggested videos. We've got a video that we made a reference guide for the Celtic cross positions. You'll find it there. Go watch that video before you carry on. It explains to you it shows you how the cards are all laid out, all the key positions, how they are interrelated. So you won't really know what's going on if you just like follow me here. Go watch that first if you haven't, and then come back here so you can see how they're all laid out, how the cards all look, and how they're interrelated. All right. Okay, so key position number 1. Preoccupation with a relationship where you are being abused or demeaned. The inability to break away from a situation or relationship, or may indicate purely a physical relationship with little else to offer. Situation: A. Part of your problem lies in the fact that someone has too strong a need for material objects in order to feel good or successful. B. There is more to your situation than what you see. Deeper motives and needs are at work. Is someone trying to manipulate for personal gain? Perhaps you're closing your eyes to the truth of what's really happening. C. The present boundaries in your situation are too structured and inflexible. Okay, so flag position number 2 represents sensation and physical pleasure. Indicates strong feelings of perversity, obsession and entrapment, oppression and the fear of danger, of influences towards error. Challenges: A. Change your emphasis from physical to spiritual concerns. B. Reevaluate your beliefs on what is important and what is real in the issue. C. Stop taking yourself so seriously. Consider where your self-importance came from and how to express it. Okay. Root position number 3, which is the root position, represents blindness or fear of change, self-depressed and poor decision making. You are in the dark and unable to see clearly, relying on physical pleasure and material possession to provide happiness and fulfillment. In relationships, it indicates it's purely physical with little else to offer. Past position number 4 represents negative influences and a need to break away from oppressive circumstances, breaking free from entrapment. All right, so number 5, the crown position, represents entering into a negative situation, temptation by physical or material pleasure. It indicates a possibility of becoming obsessed with something. Watch out for danger or possible mistakes being made, hostility and entrapment. You may be heading in the wrong direction. 6. The near future position represents entrapment. It suggests misuse of power, money, or sexuality. You may be lured by temptation. It indicates something or someone you need to stay clear of. A warning. All right, sphere position, number 7, represents physical or material indulgence or temptation. A fear of becoming obsessed with something. It indicates a fear of entrapment or oppression or use of force. A fear that something is wrong or the dark side of your personality. Okay, eighth position, judgment position, represents an individual who appears stuck in a situation or relationship. It suggests someone who has sold out for money and favors. It indicates someone who can be perverse or cruel. It also indicates someone who's made a terrible mistake. Ninth position, the hope position, represents hoping for never-ending access to physical and material pleasure. You may desire to be blind to spiritual truth, virtue, and goodness in exchange for immediate gratification. You may also wish to be unaccountable for your actions, or maybe you desire to be ruled by someone else. 10th position, future outcome position, represents weakness. You risk succumbing to the will or being dominated by one or more individuals. It indicates not sticking up for what you believe in. It suggests temptation and risk making a mistake. It may indicate unscrupulous ambition. A warning. All right, so these are the opposing and reinforcing cards to the devil. All right, so the planet Saturn, element Earth, and astrological zodiac is Capricorn. Actions, bondage, material, ignorance, and hopelessness. So the opposing cards, the cards that oppose the devil. The Fool, having faith and believing. Star, hope, faith, optimism. The Four of Wands, freedom and release. The Six of Cups, goodwill, innocence, simple joys. And the Ten of Cups, joy, peace, and blessings. Reinforcing cards, cards that support the devil, is the Seven of Cups, overindulgence, dissipation. Eight of Swords, confusion, restriction. The Nine of Swords, despair and lack of joy. Okay, so that's it for the devil. Okay, now the next card is going to be, the next video is going to be on the Tower. All right, there's the Tower card. So please like this video, share it with everybody you know, and once again, subscribe to our channel. It's free. We're doing this awesome playlist. All the cards, major and minor arcana cards of the tarot deck and the history. So subscribe. Also leave your comments and suggestions, or questions, or tips, or whatever you want. All right. So until our next video, which is on the Tower, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Good day on you.